It is small. Not big like for you, Savannah.
Yeah, me know this would that one. Yeah, me see the jealousy from the start. I feel me fault. Me open up, me had to took it all. My hurt inside the truth.
Soiceee TV, where everything's spicy. Me there, Una there, we there. Yeah, don't know straight with there. Y'all, I came with a little collab, a PR package, whatever the case may be. I'm just showing y'all that I really be using these products for real. I got these products from GeminiDollHaircare. She sent me out a PR package. I got foam, edge control, and heat serum, you know, if I'm using a flat iron or whatever. But just watch the video, y'all gonna see. It's not a long one, it's a short one, but short videos in detail, and wherever I tell you to go get it, you gonna get it. That's that. But yes, y'all, like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend for tell a friend, cause once me up on up done no straight. Back to GeminiDollHaircare. All her information is gonna be in my description, as well as on my Instagram, my link tree, and even in the video.
Soiceee is a licensed cosmetologist who loves turning hair care into a special experience. After years of working with clients and learning what they need, she created a way for everyone to enjoy salon-quality results right at home. That vision turned into GeminiDollHaircare, which is a line of professional products that brings salon-quality care to your hair. Blending expertise with natural ingredients, Soiceee created formulas to hydrate, nourish, and strengthen all hair types, from curls to color-treated strands. At GeminiDollHaircare, we believe in celebrating the beauty of every strand. Our products are thoughtfully developed to empower you with confidence and give your hair that just left the salon look and feel every day.
Inside the true, my love, so this thing. No care how much get me touch. You do me imagine when me a touch. Then I broke, I feel like me a dream, so wake me up. My brain fresh up, my baby, hear me now, hear me now.